In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to buy from 1688 and ship to whatever country of your choice from China without using agents. All you have to do is to watch this video step by step and see how you get it done. No matter how the quantity you are trying to purchase from 1688 from China, consider to watch this video. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to purchase from 1688 without using agents and ship from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your 1688 app right here. Then having opened up your 1688 app, the first step you need to take is to search for the item. So there are two ways you can search for an item. You can use your type search right here. Type the keywords of the item you are looking for. Then you're going to see a lot of results. From there, you can pick on the item you want to purchase. Or the second option by which you can search for an item on 1688 shopping app is make use of this camera icon here. This is called image search, a situation whereby you upload the picture items and then you are going to see a variety of results. After you have successfully searched for the right item you want to purchase on 1688, next thing you want to do is to add an item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, kindly check the video on my channel. I have made a step-by-step video on how to add an item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. Boom. So all the item you have in your cart is going to be displayed right here. Next thing you want to do is to select the item you want to purchase. Like I said in the beginning of this video, no matter how the quantity of the item you are going to purchase, consider to watch this video. So in this video, I'm going to purchase just a single item. This one right here is what I'm going to purchase straight off. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select the item. Having selected the item, so you can see right here, I'm purchasing just one quantity of this particular item. All right, so just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 120 yuan to purchase this single item. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on this blue bar button right here to proceed to checkout and payment. Then I enter my payment password to complete the payment. It's as simple as that. So you can see right here, this is a proof that our payment has been done successful for purchasing a single item on 1688. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back to your profile. Then for you to access your profile, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this icon right here. By the time I refresh my profile page right here, the product we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So right here, you can see the product we just purchased. So this is the item, a single item we just purchased step by step on 1688 without using agents. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.